everybody, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing a how-to segment, one of my how-tos, and I'm going to focus specifically on how to do a proper squat. The thing is, I do see it done wrong often, and I want to just take a moment and talk about sport-related squats versus fitness-related. So when you're doing sports and athletic-based squats, they are done a little bit different with form. However, with fitness-based squats, they are done a little bit differently. You're going to engage your core more, just more sports-specific result. I want to focus on those ones and talk about that. Either way, the common denominator with squats in general is you need to watch your knees and need to watch your form, because overall, in time, you will wear out your knees and cause knee damage. I want to talk about that. So here we are. I'm going to demo a proper squat. So we're looking at a proper squat form. There are certain things to consider. First, we're going to look at the width of your legs. So we're doing just a basic, there's variations, there's plie or sumo version. I'm just doing the basic squat. So you're gonna think of shoulder width and slightly wider than that. And then you wanna take your toes and turn them out a little bit. And what that'll do is it'll help your inner and outer thigh engage and assist the squat, allow you to go a little deeper. Okay, so when I say go to squat, this is what I get from people. So I'm gonna turn to the side and show you that form. Right then and there, what we're seeing is we're seeing the knees past the toes, very awkward position for the core, and all of the pressure, literally I feel pressure in the front of my kneecaps. That is a no-go. When you squat, and I'll show you from the side first, you want to engage at your hips, basically hinge at the hips first, and then drop back. So I'm going to do slow motion, okay? So if I was doing this slow motion, you would see this first, if you notice my hips shifting, and then I drop. So I'm going really, really low for this one. But either way, what you're gonna notice is knees are behind toes, chest is up, core is engaged, back is neutral, everything is working, and then we shift up and stand tall, okay? So again, I'll show that from the front, a little bit wider than my shoulders, slightly turned out, hinge at hip, and I drop, and then we come up. So you don't have to even go as deep. Even in this form, you're gonna see less aggression in the chest, less form. But either way, what you're gonna notice, if you're doing that squat right, you should feel no pain or pressure in your knees. In fact, your knees should feel great. But you will feel your quads work, you will feel your glutes work, you'll feel your hamstrings engage, you're gonna feel your core tighten up. That is telling you that you are doing the right exercise in the right way, because all of the muscles are working, but your joints are feeling good. So remember that. If you feel it in the joint, check your position, see what's happening, and then reset. So I hope that was helpful next time you're doing the squat, and yeah, have a good day. Bye.